What is up, guys? Quantum Plays here, and today I'm coming at you with another episode of Denied PvP Factions. We're on episode 4, and today I'm going to be making a zombie pigment spawner, or grinder, setting it up. So I won 2 zombie pigment spawners in the crates. It's a plugin where you pretty much get rewards. It's a 1 in 800 chance, and I got 2 of them, which is pretty good luck. So I'm just going to what I'm doing here is making a 9 by 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so you can see that 9 blocks right there. If I place water, it's going to flow there. There's going to be a water stream here. It's going to lead into the middle, and then there's going to be a zombie pigment here and one there. And they're both going to fall somewhere where I can hit them and kill them. So that's pretty much what's going to happen. Alright. Let's mine all this out. Okay, so speed. Alright, let's see how long this is for now, so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're gonna have to make it 10 actually, I think. Because, wait, I don't know. What if it flows 8 blocks, I believe? I'm not really sure. I forget. If it flows 9, we'll make it 10. If it flows 8, we'll make it 9. So, let's do this. Yeah, you can see it flows to there. So then if we do this and we mine down here, and then place water here. Alright, it ends there. There's gonna be a square there, a drop, and then I'm gonna put the zombie pigment in here. So that's pretty much what it's gonna be like. I have to go make another one of these. So I gotta go make it. How am I gonna do this? Alright. Let's go over here. Okay. I think we have to make it 9 blocks down. I'm really confused, kinda. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, we have to make it another 9 blocks down. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna use Super Breaker. Okay, we got a ravine right here. Doesn't really matter. I'll block it up if I need to. Just gotta mine all this out. I'm actually gonna keep this cobble for my base. Should be pretty good. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna see how long this is for right now. Alright, let's see. Oh, actually we have to mine this out first. Oh, and this. Okay. Okay, this looks really bad right now, but it will look better. Okay, so I'm gonna block this up. Okay, so if I place this, got that flowing to there, and that's not long enough, no. It's only 1, 2, actually I'm gonna make this, like this. So if I place that, let's see, flows to there, okay. Yeah, so it's gonna be a square where they drop. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Alright. And then we gotta push this out. Yeah, we gotta push this out. Same thing. Okay. So this has to go out here. Alright, yep, I guess. But I'm gonna have to make a floor. Yeah, I'll see. Alright. So then, make it too low. Yeah, one more. Make it down to here. Stupid ravine. Okay. Should be good. Let's see. Please work. Ah, one log. Okay. Gotta block that up. Doesn't really matter that it's cobble. I won't even be seeing this, so it doesn't matter the looks. This is pretty much just to make the water flow work. Okay. Alright. So we place that. Good. Alright. Wait, no. Is it? Hold on. I need to make it go. What the heck? What just happened? Oh, okay. So I need to make it actually go to the last block, right? Yeah, like that. So one more, actually. One more. Okay, that should be good. Good, yeah. Okay, there we go. And that, I'll put torches, because I'm pretty sure torches don't mess with the spawn rate, because there's zombie pigmen. Yeah, it's only for, like, those certain mobs. Okay, so then, we're gonna have to fill this up. I'm gonna go grab home water. Actually, it's set home. Set home, set home. Home water. Okay. Let's go. Grab this water. Home. I'm gonna throw out some stuff. Oh, that. Okay. Just gotta put the water in. I'm gonna make an automatic. I'm gonna make an infinite water source over here. There you go. Let's put all the water in. Okay, that works. Well, I'm gonna make that one higher. Alright, we just gotta do this for every block. Alright, now we just gotta do the two ends right here. Nice. Okay. That's pretty much the main part. I'm actually gonna make this 2 higher probably once I'm done recording this video. Just wanted to like show you guys that I was making it. Actually, you know what? I'll just do that now. But I'll make that higher later. So if I go /echest, get the zombie pigmen. So how long is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so, actually, it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just do 5. I think I'll place it right there. Right here, actually. Okay. There we go. We got them spawning up. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 5 out. And then 3 out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Alright. Looking good. Alright. That's pretty much the base. Look, they drop in there. Drop down. Sweet. Looks like we have it set up. I always put slabs on top of my whatever it's called spawners. I think it helps the spawn rate a little bit. But that's pretty much it, guys. So if you enjoyed this episode, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Support is awesome. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. That's pretty much it. Next episode, I'll probably be doing a raid. And definitely PvP. I haven't PvP'd yet. That's it for now. So remember to like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.